tee if you're going to have a go at this green. The flag is up.
Here, Lanaway, Livingston, Emmett be next. Macomb.
He may have
Monroe.
to get here in two, but he really needs to
Run!
put it on the fairway.
Two of them back to back.
He's driving
Really?
the best of all these players. Yeah, well, back, and maybe a challenge from Greece to green from here. Yeah, that'll be a layup. 15.
Come on now. There we go.
Probably would be very makeable. The good thing about this is it is severely downhill, but about 4 feet from the hole, it actually goes back up a little bit. So it shouldn't have to worry too much about it racing by. It's just a matter of picking that high spot in the putt and letting it drift from there.
Looks like it might peel to the right at the end there.
No question about it, Zinger.
Maybe halfway, 3/4 of the way down there, it's going to start peeling.
It looks like the higher you play it, the more it will break. Boy, he gave it a hit.
If flag is in, yeah.
I know, David, you know that you feel it always goes in.
Yeah, I don't know.
I bet it's close.
Depends on which way that flag's leaning, if any, right? It just is on a little bit on that right edge.
What an effort.
Ron is trying to keep
Probably
his
gonna
composure.
pop up
There's
again.
been a lot of talk about his temper, and through the years he's worked on it. He's trying to keep it all together here, doing a great job when most everybody is crumbling around him. That is quite a string of pars that Rahm has reeled in. That is 6 straight since his last birdie at the ninth. 17.
All right. A very important putt for Shoffley for par.
To the right.
Plans brought it out.
Yeah, he can do his laugh, I guess. I don't know. He drops back to 1 under par.